Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 14th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. Well, on the daily time frame, it will work down to the 1 hour. So on the daily, this move up is very strong. It definitely doesn't really look corrective. It is also very close to breaking structure. Normally, when price closes above the 78%, it will end up going up and taking out the 100%. So we are definitely still very bullish on the Euro dollar. No reason not to be yet going down to the 1 hour time frame. If the market is going to continue to trend, then each move down would just be a pullback to the last wave up, which is why we got our Fibonacci retracement from here to here. We are watching our Fibonacci retracement levels very, very closely. If we get one, two, three waves down and golfing up at a Fibonacci level, then that likely would be the end of a pullback and likely another wave to the upside, which would just be a piece of the daily time frame move to the upside that we've been watching. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.